I'm sure you guys have heard the phrase hot girl summer on the internet, and no, it's not about looking physically hot. It's actually about being the best version of yourself. It's a mood of self-confidence, self-love, just enjoying life to the fullest, especially during the summer months. And my ultimate guide is going to help you achieve that. I promise you're going to take away at least a few tips from this video. So let's get started right away. First up, getting into the hot girl mindset, which is all about self-confidence. Now, the more confident you feel about yourself, the more people around you are likely to feel the same way about you. And here's what you can do. Start your day on a positive note. Begin each day by listing down 3 things that you're grateful for. Now, I know it sounds a little preachy, but when you make this a habit, it really helps shift your focus on the more positive aspects of your life, and it helps give you that boost of self-confidence. Also helps you set the tone for the rest of the day. Challenge yourself to try something new. It could be exploring new places, meeting new people, developing a new hobby every week. This will help you sort of push your boundaries and help you grow as a person, which adds on to your self-confidence. Or you could also try waking up with an affirmation. What you should do is put a sticky note right next to your bathroom mirror. I actually saw my brother do this, and I think it's a great habit because the first thing that you do when you wake up is brush your teeth, which is when you visit the bathroom and see yourself in the mirror, and just seeing that sticky note right there saying something like I'm confident, I'm beautiful, just something that makes you feel really good about yourself, really helps you rewire your brain to believe that it's actually true. And over time, these affirmations can actually help you rebuild your self-perception. Next up, having a sleep schedule. Now, most of my problems I've noticed start with me not getting enough sleep or sleeping really late or waking up really late, because if that happens, then I'm waking up very groggy, I'm rushing to get things done, I'm not having my meals on time, and all of that results in me becoming a very grumpy person. And how can I expect people around me to like me when I'm like a grumpy cat all day? And if you are someone who does not have a proper sleep schedule, I would highly recommend that you give it a try, because it is a great way to get into the hot girl summer mindset. Tip number 3, set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve this summer. It could be reading a set number of books, it could be learning something new, it could be improving an aspect of your life, and listing it down or setting it down for yourself will help you stay motivated and focused. A way to do this would be creating a vision board. Now, visualizing your goals helps you sort of represent what you want in life visually, which makes you stay motivated, focused, and work towards your goal. Now, this could be a mix of images, words, videos, whatever you like, and place it someplace where you can see it every day, which reminds you of your goals, your aspirations, and makes you work harder towards them. Another thing that you should do is track your progress in a diary or a journal, because it's important to celebrate even those smaller wins, because it helps you stay more motivated and gives you that boost of confidence. Build social connections. Irrespective of how much you are happy being by yourself or you love your own company, we as humans are social animals, and it's important for us to go out and socialize and work on building our social relationships. You could plan outings with your friends. It could be a picnic day if you live near the beach, have a beach day, host game nights, which is a great way to unwind, relax, and share a bit of laughter. These little moments are going to last you a lifetime, and whenever you're feeling down or not as confident, looking back to these memories will definitely help you then. Another thing you could do is volunteer for a social cause. Find something that truly means something to you. It could be working at an animal shelter, educating poor children, anything that really speaks to you. This is going to help not only others, but also gives your life a purpose, a direction, and makes it more fulfilling. Next step is to nourish your body with the good stuff. Now, the summer months can get really dehydrating and can really bog you down if you're not well nourished or hydrated enough. So it's important to eat the fresh seasonal fruits and vegetables like bell peppers, watermelon, mangoes are like the season right now, so binge on them, have smoothies, fresh salads. All of this is going to keep you energized and help you stay fresh and active. I personally do not feel like eating anything during this season, but smoothies are something that I can literally binge on. So try and put things like seeds, oats, anything that will give you that fiber and that energy in those smoothies. Mix it all up and enjoy those, because it's also tasty and it will not feel very heavy on your tummy. Next tip, it's okay not to go to the gym, but it's important to stay active. You can join a Zumba class, a dance class, a boxing class, a yoga class, whatever you want. But it's important to get those endorphins released, to get all those good hormones going, because that's when you're going to feel hot and you're going to feel confident about yourself. And when you feel that way, people around you are bound to think the same. Now, I have been talking about how the Hot Girl Summer Guide is all about building that personality, but if you neglect your personal hygiene, it's really all for nothing. It is crazy hot outside in the summer season, it's sweaty, it's dirty, and if you're someone who's stepping out, ensure that you're having a shower twice a day, moisturizing well, following a skincare routine, and using a long-lasting good perfume. Not having a good personal hygiene routine will not only impact how others see you, but also how you feel about yourself. Which brings me to my last point: cultivate confidence. And you can actually do that by dressing to impress. Watch my video right here where I've shared some tips. And I also want to add that we live in a world today where everything is dictated by social media likes, our physical appearances, and opinions of other people. But you need to realize that embracing your own individuality and just knowing that you are enough is what is going to keep you going, and which is exactly what you need to have that hot girl mindset. And this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.